Hello. So I was facing the following problem as I was trying to import SCAD files in FreeCAD. This is the mod I was trying to import. It is the extruder body from Prusa Mark III i2. So as you can see, it's the standard model. It has a window, and I was trying to import it on FreeCAD and I was not getting it right. Didn't know why. It didn't, as you can see here, you can see this window. And this piece here is also quite wrong. And also there was another problem here. You couldn't see this nut trap from behind. As we can see here, there is this nut trap, and this piece here is quite shorter than the one you can find here. You see? And I was not understanding why it was happening, and then I began to suspect on the Frustrums. It was not being able to import the Frustrums quite right. And then I disabled in OpenSCAD this piece of Frustrum here. This is a Frustrum subtracted from the geometry, and then I just disabled it. I commented the line, and then it worked. All the remaining parts of the drawing were properly imported. And then I began to search for some Frustrum issues importing OpenSCAD files in FreeCAD. Then I found this awesome post. These awesome dudes, they were investigating on the programming level, and they are pros, of course, and they found that there is one file with a very small issue, and they identified this file, and then they fixed it. It's quite of a very simple fixing. It's just a variable. It has something to do with the geometry verification. I read it, but I couldn't quite understand because I'm not familiar with the OpenSCAD and FreeCAD programming. So this guy made a pull request, and then it was merged with the main code, but it doesn't seem to be already available. I don't know why. But then I came here and found what he changed. He changed only this variable in this file, and then I came to the file, and it's in the folder, FreeCAD folder, and then mode, OpenSCAD, and then OpenSCAD features. And then if you go to the line 343, you just have to replace this one by 0, and then close the file, close the FreeCAD, and then open it again. Let's wait. And now let's open it. It is extruder body. Now it's it's okay. It's working. So all the nut trap here, which is a Frustrum. This nut trap has this Frustrum piece here, and then it's just a cylinder with 6 faces here in this lower part, but then in the upper part is a Frustrum. It's fully imported. Everything is right. This piece, which I didn't know why it was not being imported correctly, it is now just like the OpenSCAD. I have issues remembering which button is to pan and tilt in these different softwares. And this Frustrum, which was the one I identified, which was the one having the main issue with importing, it was causing problems in the whole model, and then it's okay again. It's fully imported. Of course, I'm doing this because I'm willing to export it to step files so I can edit it in SolidWorks and also assemble the parts. And I'm quite happy it worked. I hope it will help someone else having this issue. And this is it. Thank you. Bye.